Tribe's given me ease. We're taught our whole life we have to work hard. Work hard at school, you'll get the grades. Work hard in your job, you'll get the promotion. Work hard in business, you'll have the success. But for me, for a long time, my success came at the cost of my health and of my happiness. And that was not a fun place to be. But that is not what my life is like anymore. I have the most amazing membership business that gives me so much joy. I get to wake up every day and serve the most amazing group of people. But having that time actually means that I'm a better coach, which means my students have much better results. And the ripple effect of that is mind-blowing. And on a personal level, I'm a much happier and healthier version of me. My life has completely changed. I'm a better mum, I'm a better wife, I'm a better friend, and I truly believe that the ease in my business has just had this much wider effect on all parts of my life. So grateful for that. Now, do I honestly think that I would have got there as quickly as I did without Stu and without Tribe? No way. So grateful for the day that I became a triber.